Hello, and welcome to eduthink.us. We are looking at the courses that are currently available. One of our courses is recognizing colors and also shapes. The structure of EduThink lessons always includes the lesson instructions, a demo lesson to demonstrate the strategies, and the lessons that the student will see. The pull-down menus are always available. You can always select a different lesson. The lesson information describes the lesson objectives, the instructional design, and then we also have data that's being collected when the student is ready to sign off. Let's briefly look at the lesson objectives. We have the color identification with audio and color cues. We have color identification without the audio cue, and then we have color identification which does not give the color cue. And finally, we have the color name identification. So while the course contains information relating to colors, our objective is to actually have the student read. Let's look at the instructional design. It's a minimalist approach, entirely interactive. The student is always responding. There's audio and visual feedback for this course because it's for a younger audience. We have the progression of problem difficulty that we just discussed. And then we have embedded criterion referenced mastery so that the student must answer 10 in a row in order to proceed to the next lesson. That ensures that all colors have been learned. Let's look at the demo lesson. This will show the strategy for this course.
Let's learn about colors and their names.
And we see the colors.
Color the square brown.
We have our color crayons. Let's say the student
Touch a color crayon.
touches something else. They're told to touch a color crayon. Let's miss this one.
No, brown.
So we have the lowercase and the uppercase letters and the color. We have the zero tally. We are on lesson 1. We also, since we have audio, we can turn it on or off. So these are the capabilities that are in the lesson that we will see as the student.
Color the square purple. No, purple.
So our feedback is related to the randomly generated color. And keep in mind we have missed both of these. So these may appear again since we have not answered it correctly.
Color the square orange. Good, orange.
So here we have the feedback, the positive feedback, which takes the crayon, colors the square.
Color the square white. No, white.
So again, this has been reset to 0 because we haven't had 10 consecutive correct answers.
Color the square gray. Good, gray.
So this is the first lesson. Let's exit the demo and go to the lessons. This is what the students will see.
Orange,
And we have,
orange,
excuse me, we have thumbnails
orange.
that represent the strategy. Here's the colors without the audio. And here we have the name of the color, but no color cue. And then finally, we have them read the color names.
Orange. Let's learn about colors and their names. Color the square red. Good, red. Color the square orange. No, orange. Color the square gray. Good, gray. Color the square green. Good, green. Color the square blue. Good, blue.
So again, we see our correct answer tally. If we make a mistake again, it will go back to 0. So they must get all of the colors before they progress to the next lesson. Let's go ourselves to lesson 2.
Now select the color when you see the color's name. Color the circle.
And notice that we've rearranged the order so that they aren't cueing on the order of the crayon. And now we have a circle instead of a square.
Good, blue. Color the circle.
And again, we're not telling them, we're showing the word, but we have the color cue.
Good, yellow. Color the circle. No, white.
So again, our tally is now back to 0. They must get 10 in a row to progress to the next level.
Color the circle. Good, purple. Color the circle. Good, gray. Color the circle. Good, brown. Color the circle.
So I believe we know now how this works. Let's go to lesson 3.
Now let's start reading the color names. Color the triangle.
And this time we have another shape. Again, if a child is reading ready, they may associate this word with this shape.
No, green. Color the triangle.
And again, we are not giving them a color cue, so this is much more difficult.
Good, red. Color the triangle. Good, gray. Color the triangle. Good, brown.
So I think we now understand what's going on with this lesson. Let's go to the 4th lesson.
Now see if you can read the color names.
And this is our ultimate objective.
Touch the name of the color. No, white.
So we are seeing lowercase, uppercase, and the letters of the color.
Touch the name of the color. No, brown. Touch the name of the color. Good, yellow. Touch the name of the color. Good, white. Touch the name of the color. Good, orange.
So I believe you understand now that this is, while seemingly a very simple concept, we are increasing it to actually beginning to read. Let's now exit and see what happens there. We have spent 11 minutes. We made 5 errors, 20 responses, and we're exiting from lesson 4. So this is the information that a helper would have on the student's performance.
Welcome, Chick.
And we are now back to the eduthink.us website. I hope you enjoyed this, and we will look at other courses. Thank you.